Hello, folks, and welcome from part of the awesome organising committee for Kubernetes Community Days UK. What is a Kubernetes Community Day? Well, these are fantastic community organised events gathering together users from open source and cloud native communities across the space to learn, collaborate, and network around Kubernetes and all those other great cloud native technologies. There have been quite a few so far across the world, and we're going to do the UK one. So Chris, do you want to tell folks how Kubernetes Community Days UK is going to be different from all these other conferences that are on at the minute?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Matt. And yeah, I think the main focus for us is trying to embrace a hybrid feel to this. So yes, it's going to be virtual. Yes, you can join via our YouTube links and so on. But we want to enable kind of some local companies to invite people into their site. We've all been through a lot the past 18 months. So actually being able to meet up with people, being able to watch hopefully the great presentations and sessions we're going to have on, but also sit down with other people, talk about the sessions, collaborate, hear what people have been up to for the past 18 months. Loads has changed in the cloud native world. And I think for us, we really want to promote what we're doing across UK. There's some fantastic initiatives here. There's some fantastic companies, end users making great use of cloud native technologies. We want to hear about that. We know there's some great vendors out there as well. No doubt we're going to have a couple of vendors talking about some of their initiatives as well. But yeah, so I'm really looking forward to this, really looking forward to meeting some of you as well. Lewis, do you want to have a quick chat about how to become a part of the conference?
Definitely, and cheers for that, Chris. Yes, so first of all, we're going to need some attendees. So if you want to be an attendee, I've got some really good news for you in that tickets are going to be free for this event. You'll be able to find links to the event in this YouTube video or on the comment section, or, well, it'll all be across Twitter anyway by this point. As well as that, we're going to need speakers, because if we got attendees without speakers, then it's going to be a little bit quiet. So if you're a brand new speaker, get your CFP in. If this is your first time doing a CFP, reach out to your local meetup groups. People are more than welcome, more than happy to help you out. If you're a veteran, definitely get in as well. We want to hear so many stories. We want to hear these amazing stories that you've had over the last year or so. Sponsors as well. Well, we still need to pay the bills for this. So if you'd like to take a part of being a sponsor, you'll be able to find our prospectus available and look to connect with any of us on that. And finally, this is the thing that I'm really excited about is that we're looking at having watch parties. And what is a watch party? Well, if you're a company and you've got office space available, you can look at hosting this event and having people come to your office. Obviously, COVID guidelines are going to be key to us doing this, but we're just having a look for local communities saying, look, we've got 6 seats available in our office. Why don't you come to the conference at our office, get some pizzas in, get some drinks in. It's getting back to that feel again as to what we've missed over the last year or so. But to that, Paula, do you have the dates for us?
I do. Here's for the important bit, the key dates. So, as Lewis mentioned, our call for proposals is open right now. We are keen to hear from all people across the UK, whether you're experienced in Kubernetes, whether you're a beginner. We want to hear your stories. The CFP closes 18th of July. So you've got just over 2 weeks to get that in. And as Lewis said, if you want some help, if you've never submitted before, reach out to folks in the community. You can reach out to us organizers. We're happy to help and we want to hear your stories. The conference itself is actually happening the 15th and 16th of September. So we've got a few weeks away yet, but if you are an early bird, you can sign up for free. If you're not an early bird, you can still sign up for free. As Lewis mentioned, our tickets are free, but please sign up. We're really keen to get as many.
Free.
It's always free, but we want to get as many folks communicating, participating as possible. So please sign up to register. We have the conference schedule being announced on the 2nd of August. So if you're waiting to see who our exciting lineup's going to be, that's when you can find out. And finally, we have a warm-up meetup taking place on the 12th of August. So you'll be able to see some speakers at that event, and you'll also be able to hear what workshops we're having, which watch parties are being scheduled. That'll all be announced on the 12th of August. So we can't wait to see you. We can't wait to hear from you. Please get in touch if you've got questions, if you want any help. We're really looking forward to it. So see you in September.